Hey everyone, welcome to Veilers. Today I'll show you how to enable shaders in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. First option, go to the marketplace and search for RTX. You'll find maps with RTX available, but it only works on these specific maps. If I go here, I can enable RTX mode on these maps. Remember, you need at least an RTX 2060 graphics card or better, like RTX 2070, 2080, 3060, and so on. Make sure ray tracing is on in your video settings. It's off by default. Now, to play with RTX shaders in a regular world, open your browser and search for bad RTX vanilla shaders. Click the first site, scroll down, and look for the vanilla RTX MC Pack download. Download it, and after it's done, you'll have this file. The file can be opened, but first close Minecraft. Here it is. We launch it, create a new world, and most importantly, configure as you like. Select Resource Packs, activate Vanilla RTX, create a world. Don't forget in Settings to choose Traced. If this file won't start, right-click it, choose Open With, and select Minecraft. That's all, folks. See you later.